do you also wish that whenever you receive a new lead from LinkedIn, automatically the lead details should be added into your Google Sheets? Then you are on the right video. So to do this, you have to open the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect. And if you are an existing user like me, directly log in inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder. But if you are a new user, you're going to get the Pabbly Connect's landing page URL in the description box below. Go on that URL. In the top right corner, you're going to get the option of sign up for free. So click on sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect, and you can also try this amazing automation for free. Alright, so come inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder and follow me. This is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are the results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for LinkedIn. So let's search for LinkedIn and select it. For the event, we have to select lead notifications and click on this connect. Now if you wish to create a connection between LinkedIn and Pabbly Connect, you have two options. If you have already created a connection, go on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, you have to follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with LinkedIn. And once you click on this connect with LinkedIn, it is going to ask me to enter the credentials of my LinkedIn account. So I'm going to add the email address, password and click on this sign in. And once we do this, you're going to see that our LinkedIn account is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now it is asking me to select the sponsored account, but it is saying no options found. So if you find something like this, click on this refresh fields and you're going to see all the accounts will appear. Once the accounts appear, select the account for which you want to create this automation for and click on this save and send test request. And now it is saying waiting for webhook response. So let's capture this webhook response by doing a test submission. For that, we have to open our LinkedIn. So as you can see that this is my campaign and I want that whenever someone sees my ad on LinkedIn, they get interested and click on this apply now and fill in this lead form. Automatically, their details should be added in this Google Sheets. Alright, so once we click on this apply now, this is the lead form. But over here in this lead form, we don't have the option to fill in the first name, last name and company name. We only have the option to fill in this email address and phone number because my campaign is in draft mode and I'm not running a live campaign. But if you're running a live campaign, your leads are definitely going to get the option to fill in all of these details. Alright, so let's just fill in this email address and the phone number and click on this submit. And once we click on this submit, it is saying information sent to Pabbly. This means that we have successfully submitted the form. After submitting this form, we have to open our workflow and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same right over here, which will be the webhook response. And once we're going to capture this webhook response, the workflow is going to get triggered. So you just have to wait for a few seconds till it is capturing the webhook response. And as you can see that we have successfully captured this response, you're going to see all the details, be it the first name, the last name, the company name, the phone number or the email address. And now I'm going to add all of these details into my Google Sheets. So let's close this and click on this add new action step. For the action application, we have to search for Google Sheets. So let's search for Google Sheets and select it. For the event, we have to select add new row and click on this connect. So now if you have already created a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. And now once we click on this sign in with Google, we have to select the Gmail account with the help of which we want to create this connection. After we select the Gmail account, Pabbly is asking me for some permission. So let's click on this allow and give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for because our data is 100% safe with Pabbly. Now we have to select the spreadsheet right over here in which we want to add the lead details and the sheet. After we select both of this, we have to enter all of these details of our lead one by one. But we are not going to enter it manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. So as you can see that we have successfully mapped all of these 5 details. Now let's click on this save and send test request and we have received the positive response that we have successfully added these details into our Google Sheets. So let's open our Google Sheets and you're going to see the details have been added. Be it the first name, last name, email, phone or company name, the details have been added right over here. And with this we have successfully completed our workflow. But now let's try this workflow in real time. So let's open our LinkedIn and I'm going to click on this apply now. Let's see for the email this time I'm going to keep it as this and for the phone number I'm going to keep it as this. and click on this submit. We have successfully submitted this. Now let's open our Google Sheets, and within seconds and in real time, automatically the lead details will be added in my Google Sheets. I don't have to go back and again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. We just have to wait for a few seconds and you're going to see the lead details have been added. You're going to see the first name and last name is same because yes, we cannot change, and same goes for the company name, but the email and phone number is changed, which we changed over here. And with this, we have successfully completed our workflow. Now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. And if you wish, I'll definitely attach the workflow link of my workflow in the description box below. If you wish, you can definitely check out my workflow and create this amazing automation for your own business too. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.